Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on activating the right click on your Mac's Magic Mouse. The right click makes everything so much easier, and I don't quite understand why it is turned off by default. This will work whether you are using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Imac or any other Apple computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your Mac, click on the Apple logo button at the top left corner of the screen, and then select System Preferences. From the System Preferences window, select Mouse. Enable the option Secondary Click. You can change the secondary click to be on the left side, which is useful if you're left-handed. Now you've activated right click, it's time to try out your new powers. Right click on almost anything to be given selectable options and actions you can take. You will save a lot of time by right clicking and choosing the setting you want compared to however you did it before. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.